Starting around 31 walk 2024 truly smooth love elixir in a real sense is exchanging at $0.58 in term of its iced rate with a value change of 24% in especially most recent 1 hour amazingly. SLP especially has an especially all-out market cap of $241, 728, 712 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $14, 672, 661 in an every way that really matters enormous way. This in a real sense makes truly smooth love elixir SLP all things considered, positioning at 298 in the digital currency market, or so they fundamentally thought. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the sort of smooth love elixir cost forecast finish of 2024, what will especially smooth love mixture essentially be really worth in 2024 genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? Is smooth love mixture a generally excellent speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is very huge? Will SLP cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high, which really is genuinely critical? These, for the most part, are our genuinely smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future in a by and large enormous manner. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation 2024 as per the exceptionally smooth love elixir estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost explicitly is supposed to, for the most part, cross a sort of normal value level of $79, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of pretty smooth love mixture toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to really be $76, or so they for the most part thought. Besides, SLP can for the most part arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $91, or so they thought. SLP value figure walk 2024. In walk 2024, the cost of genuinely smooth love mixture really is determined to basically be at around a truly least worth of $56. The by and large smooth love mixture value worth can basically arrive at an essentially limit of $63 with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $61 in USD, or so they generally thought. Smooth love elixir value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of commonly smooth love mixture explicitly is supposed to sort of be at around an especially least of $59, or so they in every practical sense thought. Smooth love mixture cost can truly arrive at a limit of $66 with the kind of typical cost of $62 in USD in every practical sense. Further appearance how kind of smooth love elixir value conjecture April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of truly smooth love mixture truly is supposed to truly be at around at least $59, which in every practical sense is very huge. Smooth love elixir SLP value figure May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of genuinely smooth love mixture explicitly is generally anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a truly normal cost of $64. While the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $68 and an especially least of $61 in an unobtrusive manner. SLP value conjecture June 2024. Concerning June 2024, kind of smooth love elixir fundamentally is supposed to generally arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $63. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at a very greatest cost of $71 with the very normal cost around $66 in every practical sense. Further appearance how genuinely smooth love elixir cost can generally arrive at a really limit of $66 with the extremely normal cost of $62 in USD, all things considered. Further appearance how genuinely smooth love mixture value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of commonly smooth love mixture generally is supposed to, for the most part, be at around a sort of least of $59 in an unobtrusive manner. SLP value figure July 2024. With respect to July 2024, fundamentally smooth love mixture fundamentally is supposed to basically arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $66. Truly further appearance how might SLP cost basically outperform its unsurpassed high, which all things considered is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $74 with a very normal cost around $68 in a fundamentally significant manner. Smooth love mixture SLP value expectation August 2024. Concerning August 2024, smooth love elixir cost generally is estimate to essentially arrive at the most minimal cost of $66 in an unobtrusive manner. The SLP cost could for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $77 with the truly normal expected cost around $69 in a by and large enormous manner. SLP value estimate September 2024. The truly smooth love elixir figure for September 2024 expects that the SLP may arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of $81 with a by and large least cost of around $68. So in every practical sense, smooth love mixture SLP value expectation 2024 as per the smooth love elixir conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the SLP cost generally is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of $79, the normal extremely least value worth of in every practical sense, smooth love elixir toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to generally be $76 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Discussing the typical value SLP can basically stretch around $71 for September, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP value estimate October 2024. With respect to October 2024, smooth love mixture is supposed to really arrive at a truly least value worth of $71, or so they in a real sense thought. The SLP cost could arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $94, with the extremely normal cost around $74. Further appearance how besides SLP can sort of arrive at a truly greatest value level of $91 in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth love elixir value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of in every practical sense, smooth love mixture in a real sense is supposed to truly be at around at least $74, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love elixir cost can in a real sense arrive at a limit of $97 with the extremely normal cost of $76 in USD, which sort of is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture value forecast December 2024. The cost of especially smooth love elixir explicitly is anticipated to really reach at any rate worth of $976 in December 2024 in an unobtrusive way. The SLP cost could truly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $991 with the very normal exchanging worth of $979 all through 2024, or so they generally thought. Smooth love mixture especially past value examination in the in every practical sense recent hours, the crypto explicitly has been truly diminished by 0.67% in its in every way that really matters current worth, exhibiting how might SLP cost basically outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming we especially look at the sort of current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap is likewise down, which especially demonstrates the way that the SLP cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $91 with a typical exchanging worth of $79 all through 2024 in a very significant manner. Smooth love elixir for the most part is confronting an essentially tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins in a fundamentally significant manner. The SLP sort of is down to nearly 4.3% in the kind of most recent 7 days, exhibiting how pretty smooth love elixir value expectation December 2024. The cost of sort of